Hello again YouTube. So I just did make the video about my updated keypad Pro, and this will be part 1 of a series of the dash cam that I received from Banggood for review, and because I wanted it so bad. And let's get to it. I know some people do not like unboxings, but I'll do it anyway. So if you don't like it, click the thumbs down button and exit the screen. You don't need to write a comment unless you really want to. So this is not a new cam. This is actually, it did get a design award in 2019, but it's really one of the nicer ones. It has even foam padding in the top of the lid. You can see it. So, and I wanted a camera for a long time, and you will find actually even on Banggood over 2,000 reviews, but I think it does speak for the camera. And as I said, I wanted to get a camera for a long time, but there are just too many out there, and I could not make up my mind which one to get. So I did pick this one because I did like the design, and this is plastic. It's really nice packaging. Let us see what else is in here. Got another. Oh, it's just a lid to lift up. I wish I could make packaging like this for my products. That would be nice. Something else is in here. So this is like almost unpacking a phone, a cell phone. Anyway, let's see what we have. I know you might have seen this before. This is just a wedge to lift the edge of your Verkleidung, we say in German, on the car, so you can lift the edge of your interior and put the wire in. That's that. This is a USB adapter which has actually 2 outputs, so you can use one for your camera and use the other for your cell phone or whatever you might want to attach to your car. Oh, I'm getting lost for words here. This is a manual which is supposed to be in English. This is the Pro version of the camera, which has a higher resolution and it does record in a better quality. So I'll just hold it like this. If you do want to read it, which I doubt you will, you could click the pause button on the video. And since I'm using 21:9 aspect ratio on my phone for recording, and the simple reason is because I want to have the full screen as a viewfinder. That's the only reason. Otherwise I could just record it in what's the other one? Well, anyway, so this is Chinese that you won't read, and here are 2 foils that help you to align the camera on your windshield. So, and I will make a video about that too, because I saw most people just make a video like this, like I do here. Excuse me for that. And that's it. They don't make any video how to install it in the car and whatnot, but that I will do. And here you see the USB and the angled micro SD. I wish they would use USB Type-C, then you could have the wire go out the left or the right depending how you want it, because I mean there are right hand and left hand drive cars obviously. So camera I didn't show, I'll show you in a second. let's open this one up as well. This one is a GPS module. GPS is not included in the camera, but comes like this. So this is the GPS module, and here is the double-sided tape to glue it on there. This is not mandatory, you can just use this. Did I miss something? Yes, I did. Here is the other part that you glue onto your windshield, and the camera just slides in, probably from here. So you just slide the camera in and then it stays attached. Was I out of the view? I don't know. So, and this one cleverly does the same thing. You slide it in, it clicks in, and now when you glue this on, you have a GPS module with perfect sight to the outside, perfect view to the sky, and it gets all connected. Which one did I slide it in? This side. So it gets this power and the data connections through the pogo pins, which go in and out. So this is it.